Hey there, speed demons. Let's ride into today's exciting adventure together. Today we are exploring new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid, which has garnered significant attention with its innovative design and remarkable technological enhancements. This vehicle, known for its environmental efficiency and off-road capabilities, is expected to impress drivers who value performance combined with sustainability. Launched as a hybrid version of the popular Crosstrek in previous years, the 2026 model showcases advancements that further solidify its place in the market. Its hybrid powertrain, which includes a gasoline engine paired with electric motors, ensures that it delivers a more efficient fuel economy while maintaining the rugged performance Subaru is known for. Over the years, the Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid has been praised for its versatility, offering a blend of compact SUV size and SUV-like capabilities. The 2026 model builds on this reputation, featuring enhanced aerodynamics and a more refined exterior design. The sleek lines and bold grille have been accentuated to give the vehicle a modern and stylish look, appealing to a broad audience, including those who prioritize eco-friendliness without compromising on aesthetics. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid boasts a spacious and comfortable cabin that is equipped with cutting-edge technology. A large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Compatibility is seamlessly integrated into the center console. Additionally, advanced safety features, such as Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance system, have been further improved, offering better protection for both the driver and passengers. The cabin is also designed for practicality, with ample cargo space and user-friendly controls to ensure a comfortable ride for all occupants. The hybrid engine system in the 2026 model has been optimized to provide impressive fuel efficiency, making it a highly attractive option for environmentally conscious consumers. The seamless switching between the electric motor and gasoline engine ensures smooth driving performance, whether navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails. Subaru's renowned symmetrical all-wheel drive (AWD) system continues to be a key feature of the Crosstrek Hybrid, providing superior traction and control in various driving conditions. This all-wheel drive capability makes the vehicle ideal for adventurous drivers who require a reliable car capable of handling diverse terrains. In terms of performance, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid is equipped with a powerful and responsive engine that balances fuel efficiency with driving pleasure. The regenerative braking system also allows for improved energy recovery, contributing to its overall efficiency. With reduced emissions, this model is positioned as an eco-friendly choice for those who seek a vehicle that combines power with sustainability. The 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid is also equipped with a suite of connectivity and convenience features that enhance the driving experience. Smartphone integration, voice recognition, and a premium sound system are included in higher trim levels, ensuring that every journey is both entertaining and connected. Furthermore, the vehicle is expected to offer improved driving dynamics, making it more responsive and agile, even in challenging driving conditions. With Subaru's focus on durability, the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid is designed to withstand the test of time. Its hybrid components are built to last, ensuring that owners enjoy long-term reliability and lower maintenance costs. The vehicle's reputation for safety, paired with its eco-conscious features, makes it a standout choice in the growing hybrid SUV segment. Overall, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid presents an impressive package for anyone looking for a versatile, eco-friendly and performance-oriented vehicle. With its blend of modern technology, off-road capabilities, and hybrid efficiency, the 2026 model is set to make waves in the automotive world.